Here's how to fix your iPhone if outgoing calls don't ring. Now, the first thing, let's head into the phone app here and let's just try to call someone. So if I tap on someone and try to call them, and if it never rings, essentially I just hear nothing, then there are a couple different things you can do to fix that. The very first thing we'll do is swipe down from the very top right. After we've done that, you can see the control center here and the airplane mode. So I'm going to tap on airplane. This will disconnect from my Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, as well as my cell service. And then I'm just going to turn that back off. So essentially, you're just reconnecting to everything and reconnecting to the nearest cell tower to make those incoming and outgoing calls. Now, if that doesn't fix it, the next thing we'll do is head into your settings here. And we're going to tap on cellular right under Bluetooth. Now, you'll be able to see here, it says AT&T, that is my line. So my carrier is AT&T, whatever you have. You'll be able to see your eSIM here. So we're going to toggle this off, essentially turning off the connection between your phone and your carrier. And then we'll go back in here and just turn it back on. Essentially, this will again reinitiate your specific phone and the line, your phone number, connected to whatever cell tower is nearby. Now, the next thing that I would recommend doing is let's go all the way back out of here. We'll scroll down to the bottom and tap on apps. Now, let's scroll down again until we get to the phone section. So find phone here and tap on that. And now let's scroll down until we get to Wi-Fi calling. So tap on that. Potentially your phone is not ringing when you're making outgoing calls because it doesn't have good signal wherever you are. But the nice thing is that your iPhone can use the Wi-Fi network that you're currently connected to or one nearby, basically to make that call even if you have poor signal. So if this is turned off, just toggle this on and hit enable, and it says make and receive calls over Wi-Fi with your AT&T account. Essentially, this will allow you to make any kind of calls or receive calls as well in places that you have really poor signal, but you are connected to the Wi-Fi. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below. Really helps me out. Thanks, guys.